We have clouds expected in the morning, although I think we will have a dry start for the early commute. Scattered rain will be catching up to us as we get into the midday hours and afternoon, into the evening too, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder. We'll top out in the low 70s, but 60s will probably be around for much of the day. There is a look at the 24-hour temperature difference. It is so nice out this evening. I showed you just a couple moments ago. We're still sitting in the 60s, even some 70s on the map. Winds are calm, which is going to help things to cool off a little bit. But at the same time, we have these light breezes from the south, which is a warming wind for us. We also have clouds that are moving in, and those clouds will really help to kind of insulate things and help us to stay a little bit warmer overnight. So we're not expecting the temperatures to continue to drop off. As a matter of fact, they'll probably level off for the most part. But these high clouds for now will thicken up tonight, leading us eventually tomorrow into getting some of these rain chances that are out to the west of us. You can see the swirl that is now moving through Missouri. That is going to head down through the Tennessee Valley over toward the East Coast, and as it does so, we'll have showers and, as I mentioned, maybe a few rumbles of thunder dragging across the area. We are not anticipating anything terribly heavy out of this, but we can't rule out the isolated downpour if we get some thunderstorms in here. And you can kind of see the initial motion here, southwest to northeast of the leading edge of these showers. This is what we're expecting to move in by midday tomorrow. This whole thing is being propelled eastward as our next storm system is already lining up in the Rocky Mountain states. We've got a couple more systems out to the west in the Pacific, so we have quite a little bit of flow going here. But here's the interesting part. Rather than stitching these all back to back to back to back to back, we're actually going to get breaks in between, and the breaks are going to time out to be about every other day or two. So here is tomorrow's rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. There's the break for Thursday. More showers moving in for Friday into Saturday. We'll have a break coming in on Sunday, and then more as we continue into next week. But for the start of the day tomorrow, you can see a lot of the rain will be off to the southwest of us. Midday, some of those showers may start to sneak into our southern counties and then eventually spread across the area. What you don't see is a slam dunk washout of a forecast. I think we'll have a lot of dry periods tomorrow. We're going to do that all over again for much of the day to start on Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon, we'll probably get a few more thunderstorms in here. Then we get that break for Thursday, which will kind of allow us to retool things a little bit as we start to see our next storm system that comes our way for later on Friday and then into Saturday. As far as the next 7 days into precip chances, you can kind of see how all these breaks stack up. We have those rain chances moving in tomorrow. Better chances on Wednesday. Thursday looks great. Late Friday into Saturday, more rain coming in that backs off again for Sunday. So, of course, a lot of folks are really aiming in on the weekend forecast. It does look like we will have scattered rain on Saturday, but Sunday is looking pretty nice for us right now, and it looks like temperatures will be increasing. We will be warmer ahead of that next storm system that gets here before the weekend. In the meantime, your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast for tonight. The clouds thicken up. Daybreak temperatures expected to be in the upper 50s. We'll quickly make it into the low 60s as rain begins to move in from south to north. Scattered showers are going to be around, as well as those mostly cloudy skies. Midday temperatures closer to 70 degrees. I think we'll pop into the low 70s and then find those temperatures trending back into the 60s for most of the evening. But no major rain, no major storms, just kind of scattered showers in your forecast for tomorrow. Here's your Medina Country Club 7-day outlook, and you can see how the temperatures back off for us on Wednesday. On and off showers will be around. Thursday, we get that beautiful break with low 70s, perfection for spring day. Friday and Saturday, the rain chances will come back. We pop back to 80 degrees on Sunday with sunshine, and then more thunder chances with unsettled weather setting up with 70s for most of next week. Russ?
All right, Betsy, thanks a lot.